Well, this player can carry on. That's much better. And that's okay. He can pot this red and leave.
4.
Well, he can't get on that red.
Yeah, played it nicely. Just try and tidy up the red beside the black. He's just going to try and tidy up the red beside the black.
Yeah, I know what you were thinking there, Ken. Had he have left himself an angle, he could have gone into the...
20.
I'm trying to split the pack and leaving the last red, because sometimes you don't get on it and you don't get the right angle.
Yeah, it was pretty careless, leaving himself short.
He's come out with it.
So we'll remove that red I mentioned. Got away with it though.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
It's a sign of nerves as well, which is understandable, but
Ronnie O'Sullivan 1.
Can't see enough of that one.
no. Oh, needs a bit of luck here.
1.
Oh, what a great effort that was to Calendar. He's playing the correct shot. He's playing the percentages at the moment.
Ronnie O'Sullivan 1.
Right corner. Oh, he's played the other one. Needs to keep that white near the... It's just a little...
Oh, well played. Very brave shot to take on, and nicely.
6.
That's no good.
lots of more.
A lot of more cue power and try and screw the cue ball out of there. Sometimes you play that top spin.
Have a look at... Just the pace kept that in. That against an opponent like Ronnie.
9.
And particularly the position as well on the black. Well, it was just exquisite. You're always looking for signs with Ronnie O'Sullivan. Just as you said, Dennis, he looks really up for it and very...
25.
Oh, just gone wrong.
Ronnie O'Sullivan 30.
Oh, lovely shot this. Might have to use a lot of check side. No, he wasn't playing it, was he?
I don't think the natural line. He's played it harder to try and get in behind the black. And it's a pretty good effort. It's a pretty good effort.
Just the Problem of getting it safe. And that's why he's trying to roll onto it. He's hit it. Has he left it? No, he's okay. Good shot.
Black, I would think.
Foul.
Oh, he's pushed it. Can you believe it? How often? Don't see that very
Ronnie
often.
O'Sullivan 4.
And it's a free ball, is it?
Free ball.
Yeah. And that pink that he put safe.
3.
Tried to bring it out this time. Look at this for a shot. Oh, what a shot.
6.
Just a little bit pacey. Well, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant this is.
What a shot. Well, for all the world it looked like it was going to be 2-1, but that push shot proving to be very costly there.